Here's integrated 3. This is problem 2-34, letter B. So in this problem, they are wanting us to think about exponential growth and decay. So, and we've been studying the exponential function. So they're applying this to different situations, and they've asked us to answer these 4 bullet points. And so I'm just going to do letter B. And so I'm going to go through, and when I read letter B, it says an investment of $1,000. So when it says initial value, that's going to be my $1,000 because that's what I started with. And then it says that the $1,000 earns 6% annual interest compounded monthly. 6% annual interest compounded monthly. So at first I was just going to throw the 6% in there, but it's compounded monthly. So if it's 6% per year, let's look at that. So that'd be 0.06. I just turned it into a decimal. That'd be 0.06 per year, but it's compounded monthly, and there's 12 months in a year. So now we've got this number. So this is going to be the multiplier. We're going to add a 1 to that, and I'll tell you why in a second. So it's going to be 1 plus that. And then the unit of time would be months. Okay, so how did we know to do any of, how did we know all this? Well, we know simple interest is just the principal or the initial value times the rate times the time, and you can calculate your interest. But you can just Google this. Compound interest is, sometimes they'll use A for the amount, and then P is the principal, and then they'll say 1 plus R over N. Well, R is the rate divided by N, which is the number of, I want to say iterations. It's the number of times it gets compounded. So in our case, the number of times that it got compounded was 12, because it was the annual rate divided by 12 months. And then the exponent here is however many times you compound it, and then T would be the number of years. So we want to turn that into an exponential model, and so that's why they were trying to help us do that by asking us these little bullet points. So now we know what the multiplier is, because we got that from going 1 plus the rate. Remember, it was 0.06 divided by 12. And then N, in this case, it's an annual. This was the situation is an investment. It's an annual interest, so we're just going to use T is just going to be 1, and so N. Oh, actually, we don't even have to. We're not even trying to calculate it. We're just trying to make the formula for it. So let's see. Let's go f of x, and then we know A is the initial, and then B is our multiplier. And then this one is going to be x. Okay, so this is what they are looking for.